What's up, Pi Network pioneers? Things have been a bit rocky, haven't they? The price of Pi has been dropping and you're probably wondering what's going on, right? You've heard the rumors, seen the charts, and maybe even felt the panic. But here's the thing, it's not the end of the world, and in today's video we're diving deep into exactly why Pi's price has been falling, what you, as a pioneer, should be doing about it, and if it's the right time to sell, hold, or just stick with it. Are we headed for another big dip, or is this just a temporary setback? Now I want you to think about this. Have you noticed how Pi shot up to the 11th position on CoinMarketCap after listing on exchanges, only to now fall down to 27? What's causing the price drop? Is it panic, is it market manipulation, or is it just a natural correction? Drop your thoughts below in the comments. Are you still holding or thinking about selling? And hey, if you haven't caught up with the latest updates on Pi Network, make sure to check out my previous videos. The link is in the description below. Also, let me know where you're watching from. Drop Pi Network to the moon, along with your country name, in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep supporting the channel. I'm here to bring you the latest updates on Pi Network and beyond. Also, be sure to join my Telegram and Facebook pages for more discussions. Quick reminder, this video is purely for entertainment purposes and isn't financial advice, so don't take it as such. Alright, let's get started. So, let's kick things off with where Pi was and where it is now. When Pi first hit the exchanges, it was on fire. It climbed so high, it was holding its ground in the 11th spot on CoinMarketCap, right next to big players like Chainlink. Everyone was excited, the dream of hitting $5 or even $10 seemed just around the corner. But then, fast forward to today, and we see Pi sitting at the 27th position. The excitement has cooled down, but why? If you look at the price chart from the past month, you'll notice Pi started around $1.20, and at its peak it hit nearly $3. But then, things started going south. Ever since February 27, the price has been on a decline, and now it's sitting at a tough 67 cents. Ouch, right? Let's talk about why. The first thing you need to understand is that Pi Network's market cap has dropped to $6.82 billion, and the volume has fallen to $4.59 billion, with an FDV, fully diluted valuation, of $67.71 billion. In short, these numbers are showing a decrease in the overall confidence in Pi's value. A lot of people are panicking and wondering if Pi will ever recover. But let me tell you, this is nothing new in the world of cryptocurrency. Crypto is a volatile space. One minute you're at the top, the next you're fighting to stay afloat. But why the sudden drop? One factor is the circulating supply. We've seen that the supply has been reducing thanks to the recent issues around the migration of tokens, which I'll get into in just a second. So, a reduction in circulating supply could be a good thing, right? It could drive the price up when demand returns. But here's the twist. The token migration process has caused chaos. A lot of pioneers whose coins got migrated have had them reversed back to their Pi apps due to problems with the new 2FA, two-factor authentication. And that's left many frustrated, with some even selling off their coins. You can see why the price has been going down, can't you? Let's not forget the broader crypto market right now. Everything is down, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. Pi Network is just one of many coins struggling in a bear market. The biggest thing we need to understand here is that these dips are normal. I know it's tough, but it's just how the crypto market works. So, should you be worried? Let's break this down further. The price has dipped by more than 60% recently. If we're talking about percentages, Pi hit $3, and now it's below 90 cents. Does this signal the end of the Pi Network? Absolutely not. This could be the market correcting itself, and it's actually quite common for cryptocurrencies to dip after the initial excitement of being listed. Traders take profits, and other factors come into play. But here's the catch. Even though some believe Pi is facing a major setback, others think it's simply going through the motions of a market correction. In fact, the technical indicators support this theory. The Bollinger Bands, a key indicator in crypto trading, have dipped to -40, the lowest it's ever been, showing that sellers are still controlling the market. This tells us that unless buyers step in, the price might continue to fall. But here's the silver lining. Pi has recovered slightly. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, which was at an alarming low of 17.5, has now bounced back to 45. It's still in bearish territory, but it's recovering. So, there's hope. As for the price, is it going to drop below $1? It already has for the first time since February 22nd, but that's just one of the hurdles Pi's facing. The key support levels we need to watch out for are 80 cents and 60 cents. If Pi falls below these levels, then we might have a problem, but if Pi stays within this range, we're not in danger yet. It's still within what I'd call a safe zone. Now, let's talk about resistance levels. If Pi can claw its way back up, the first major hurdle it will face is the $1.25 mark. Once it hits this point, there will likely be some consolidation, and it might struggle to go past it. But if it can break through, the next resistance point is $1.80, which is more promising. So, it's not all doom and gloom. There's a path to recovery, but it will depend on the actions of both the community and the market. I'm seeing signs of market manipulation, with big players pushing Pi's price down. This, along with uncertainty and the Pi core team's quietness, is holding back the market's full trust. Better communication from the team could help build more trust within the community and the broader crypto space. While many are waiting for Binance to list Pi, what's more important right now is the coin's survival. The market is tough, but I'm confident Pi will find its footing again. It's just a matter of time. Let's talk about migration issues for a moment. Many pioneers have been affected by the migration delays and lost tokens. Some even had to deal with tokens being reversed back to the Pi app after they were migrated, which understandably led to frustration. This has only added to the downward pressure on the price. But here's the thing. The Pi core team needs to fix this. If they can get the migration and KYC processes back on track, it could stabilize the price and calm down the community's nerves. So, is it over for Pi? Definitely not. While the coin may be experiencing a dip in value right now, this is far from the end. In fact, it's a natural part of the crypto market's cyclical nature. Crypto, in general, is known for its volatility, and such fluctuations are something every coin goes through, especially after a major milestone like the mainnet launch. Pi Network's journey is far from over, and the current situation should be seen as just a temporary setback. Remember, success in crypto doesn't happen overnight. It requires resilience, patience, and a strong, dedicated community. What we're seeing now is just another bump in the road on the path to long-term growth. The key here is to hold on and trust the community, because that's what sets Pi Network apart. Its dedicated and passionate supporters. The crypto space is a marathon, not a sprint. As we've seen with other coins in the past, market recoveries often follow periods of downturn. Now is the time to keep the faith, stay informed, and focus on the bigger picture. Pi has a unique position in the market, and with perseverance, it can still thrive. So what do you think, pioneers? Do you agree with my take on why the Pi price is falling? Are you still holding or thinking about selling? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And as always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to show your support and help us bring you more updates on Pi Network and everything crypto. If you've got any questions or ideas to share, drop them in the comments. I'm always reading and responding to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep the Faith Pi Network to the moon.